Hey y'all, welcome back to George Cooking for the Soul. Today I'm going to try my hand at some sticky finger chicken wings. This will be my first time making these sticky finger wings. So I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, this is the ingredient I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna try the wing sauce. I have a bottle and a half here. I have some brown sugar, have some white sugar. I have Laura seasoned salt, black pepper. I have 5 spices, accent, adobo seasoning, lemon pepper, cayenne pepper, and hot sauce. Okay, I'm gonna mix all those ingredients together to do the sauce. But right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash the chicken. You can sit down in the sink. Okay, the whole wings. So what I'm doing is cutting them in half. Cut them in half first, then I'm gonna wash. And I'm gonna bake these wings. Once I put the sauce on them, I'll put them in the oven and let them bake till they get done, and the wings become kind of, the sauce will stick to the wings. Wash them and season them up. Make the sauce, put on them, and put them in the oven. Okay, I'll come back and bleach that and sink real good. But right now we're going to season these wings and get them in the oven. This is the pan I'm going to be baking them in. Wash it out. Okay. Pick it. Bring it closer so I can season the chicken. I'm just gonna put a little seasoning on the chicken. I think I'm gonna season the chicken real good, and then I just put a little seasoning in the sticky finger. That's the way I do it. Okay, that's the over seasoning. Put a little lemon pepper. Okay, guys, kind of give it a little kick. Little accent. Okay, these are the 5 seasoning. I want to try this. I want to open it. Okay, put a little bit of that. Black pepper. Now mix it up. Okay, now I'm going to take that pan. Okay, I'm coming up. Now I'm going to place the chicken on the pan. You place your chicken on the pan any kind of way you want it. Okay, now get a bowl for this to mix the sauce in. I just okay. Okay, y'all. See, can you see that? Okay, first I'm gonna put the wing sauce. I like to rinse out the bottle with a little vinegar. Just a little. Okay. I'll put a half a cup of white sugar. I had a cup in there. I'll put a tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay. Put some hot sauce. I won't put no none of the cayenne pepper. Put some accent. A double seasoning. I don't want it too salty. I'll mix this up. Taste it. Okay, now I'm going to spread it on here. Okay, I had just enough of the sticky finger sauce made. Alright, y'all, I'm going to put this on 400-degree oven until the chicken cook. I don't know how. I want to say about an hour. Okay. You're going to let it bake uncovered. Alright? Okay, I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Here's the sticky finger chicken wings, and it took about an hour. At first on 400 oven a little bit too hot. It cooked too fast, so I had to turn on 375. Okay, this is it. Let me give it a try. Look at that. It's good, y'all. Take the sweetness and then the little heat to it. It's real good. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And after watching this video, you like it, give me a thumbs up. Okay, I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye. Y'all, had to come back after I finished eating those sticky finger wings. I just had to come back and tell y'all how delicious they are. I couldn't eat them all. Here's the rest of them right here. I eat the rest tomorrow. And I'm going to tell you, this 5 spices, the Oriental, I could taste it in those wings, and it was so good. You could taste that Oriental Asian taste to it. You know, like you might have bought them at the Chinese restaurant. Okay, these 5 spices, I'm going to see, can I see them the name and tell you what they are. It's cinnamon, it's anise, I guess I'm pronouncing it right, it's A-N-I-S-E. It's ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. Those are the 5 spices in this. And I tell you once again, if you can find it somewhere now, I got it at an IGA store, grocery store. Okay, it's really, really good. I didn't know those wings were going to turn out that good. They are really delicious, y'all. I want y'all to give it a try. I had them with French fries tonight. And I just sprinkled a little seasoned salt over my fries. And like you saw how I mixed it up with a half a bottle of the wing sauce and a half a cup of sugar, and then the spices. I can even taste the little kick it have from the cayenne pepper. y'all try this recipe, please. It is so good. I don't think you'll be sorry you tried it. Yeah, like I was saying, you get a half a bottle of the wing sauce, and then you y'all, we having bad weather here. That's why I'm stalling. And then you put a half a cup of sugar, white sugar, and a tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay. And then the other seasoning. But like I say, you don't put, I didn't put that much seasoning in the sticky sauce. What I did, I just seasoned mostly up the chicken. Okay. If you have to look at go back and look at this video, however many times you need to watch it, do it. But please fish this. I don't tell you how much seasoning to put in it, because just like I like mine with the amount of seasoning that I have in here today. But you may not. You might want more, or you may want less. But I'll tell you the main ingredient is this right here. Okay. All right. I love you all. I got to get off of here now. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'll be seeing my new subscriber popping up. I'm so happy to have y'all come aboard. So please keep on subscribing, share my video, give me a thumb up, liking them, and if you share, you're getting it out there to other people. Share the video, let other people know about me. Okay, I love you, and I can see y'all next time. Bye bye.